let's say there were 1 lakh training examples provided, but this machine, with the help of the learning, this machine is able to identify any face that is outside of these 1 lakh examples also. It is able to identify any new person which was not present in the training process of this face recognition feature. It's able to do it. It's not that there's a series of code. Okay, if this is a person, this is his name. If this is a person, this is his name. If this is a person, this is his name. That kind of coding was not given. It was given a lot of training process. So since there is a training process, either for this or this, and it's learning and it's able to predict with some accuracy that this is so and so person, that the person has said so and so thing, so and so in a particular context, is able to understand. So definitely this has got artificial intelligence abilities, because there is learning, planning, natural language processing, knowledge representation, and maybe it doesn't have emotions, it's okay, but it has these things. It has these abilities of human brain or human mind. So yes, we can call this as an AI. And can we call this as a robot? I think it's very easy to find that out. First thing is, it has got physical body. Second thing is, it is able to do a series of actions. It's able to move from point A, point B via motion planning. It's able to talk to the user. That's also an action. So it's able to do series of actions. Third, it is able to interact with the physical world with the help of sensors. It's able to move. It's able to see with the help of face recognition from the camera and visual features. Visual technology. And the last one was autonomous or semi-autonomous. Yes, it doesn't require complete human intervention to do its task. It is able to do face recognition without much human intervention, without any human intervention maybe. And speech recognition, motion planning also. So all the criterias are met, and we can call this BUD 2.2 as a robot. So this is an example which is both an AI and a robot, BUD 2.2. This is an example which is neither an AI nor a robot. This is an example which is an AI, but it's not a robot because there is no physical body. And this is an example which is a robot, but it is not an AI because it doesn't have any learning process internally inside it, and it's not doing any prediction. It's not able to correct anything because there's no learning process. Alright, so this is an example which is both an AI and a robot. So let me try to, with the help of understanding of these things, we can classify broadly into 4 categories. This Venn diagram is summarizing that. So there could be robots with artificial intelligence abilities. There could be robots without artificial intelligence abilities, such as this, and this one, such as this. And there are AIs, but it doesn't have physical body, so it's not robot, such as a spam filter or Cortana, Siri and Google Assistant. They are AIs, but they are not robots. And there could be many machines outside these circles, which are neither an AI and nor a robot. There could be many, and one such example is this. So I hope you could get some understanding about artificial intelligence and robotics, and what makes them different and what makes them similar. So there are a lot of algorithms and models that we use, both in the case of both for AI development and for robotics development. We'll be looking about them maybe in the next videos. I hope this is clear. Thanks a lot.